Hi, I'm Natalie Slipko and welcome to the Golden Shoes Tap Tutorials. I absolutely love to tap dance. I've performed in many musicals throughout the U.S. I've taught, I've choreographed, but now I want to give back. I want to teach you how to tap dance. So let's shuffle up to Buffalo and have some fun. The step you're going to learn today is called tiptoeing through the tulips. I just made that up because it's very appropriate because I'm trying to be as quiet as possible to my new neighbors. Here we go. So you're going to flap with your right and one, heel with your left, then right heels. Then go left, right again with your toes and then heel again, left, right. Then this is the little bit more challenging part. You're going to flap with your left, go lap, toe with the right, toe, right, left heel, brush, heel, toe. Doesn't make sense until I do it a little bit more quickly. So I will show it to you. A 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. That's the whole sequence. So little by little, as you're doing this part, you're traveling to the right when you're doing the right side. Now let's try the left side. So you're always going to go left, right, but it's going to fluctuate whether you're doing the heels or the toes. So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now, I'm going to do it a little bit more quickly. Do it with me if you like, or you can just watch. Here is tiptoeing through the tulips. A 5, 6, 7, and. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you know when I post the next tutorial.